Home Remedies presents
How to make natural ginger ale at home. Ginger ale, as with other ginger products and other non-ginger flavored carbonated beverages, is often recommended as a home remedy for indigestion and motion sickness. It is also used to soothe coughs and sore throats. Nowadays, commercial soft drinks are made from a list of chemicals that I cannot even pronounce, with nothing good in them at all. I have no desire to pour these chemical brews down my throat anymore. You can simply replace those with ginger ale. This natural recipe for ginger ale uses a fresh ginger and a cultured ginger mixture called a ginger bug to create a naturally fermented and naturally fizzy ginger ale. Here is how to prepare a homemade natural ginger ale. Ingredients: 1 to 2 inch piece of fresh ginger, minced, half teaspoon sea salt or Himalayan salt, half cup fresh lemon or lime juice, half cup of organic sugar or honey, half cup homemade ginger bug or quarter cup whey, 8 cups of filtered water. Instructions: take a saucepan and mix 3 cups of water, minced ginger root, sugar and salt and bring the mixture to a boil in order to make a wort. Simmer for 5 minutes to dissolve the sugar and remove from heat. Add the rest of the water and leave the mixture to cool. Add the fresh lemon or lime juice and the ginger bug and transfer the mixture to a 2-quart glass mason jar. Stir well and put the lid on. Leave the mixture on the counter for 3 days and you might need to stir or burp it occasionally. The use of whey will accelerate the fermentation process. When you remove the lid, it should bubble and should hiss like a soda. Carefully follow the instructions in order to prevent too much pressure that will burst the bottle. Transfer to refrigerator where it will last indefinitely and strain it before drinking. Alternatively, the mixture can be strained and transferred to Grolsch-style bottles before putting in the refrigerator. Enjoy!
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.